This is the kind of trick that makes engineers stop talking and start nodding. The guy needed a perfect corner cut, right on the wood edge. Measuring tape? Math? Blueprints? Nope. He simply places the piece exactly where it belongs, marks it directly on the wood, follows the shape, and cuts right on the line. Like it's second nature. No calculations. No mistakes. No second try. When it fits, it's so tight. It looks factory made. That's the classic mark it where it sits method. Not magic, just real woodworking skills that shut everyone up.